Can you help me answer the questions and open all the gates? Of course. Let's help our little snail reach the castle. Here comes the first gate. I'm ready. Question 1. What is 2 plus 1? Is it 2, 3, 4, or 5? 2 plus 1 makes 3. That's right. The answer is 3. Yay! The first gate is opening. Look! Here comes the second gate. Let's solve it. What is 3 plus 2? Is it 4, 5, 6, or 7? 3 plus 2 makes 5. Correct! Great job! Open the gate. Gate number 3 is here. What's the question? What is 5 minus 1? Is it 3, 4, 5, or 6? 5 take away 1 is 4. Yes! That's correct. Another gate is open. Here comes gate number 4. I can do it. What is 2 plus 3? Is it 3, 4, 5, or 6? 2 plus 3 makes 5. Fantastic! You got it. Let's keep going. Reached gate number 5. I'm ready for another math question. What is 6 minus 2? Is it 3, 4, 5, or 6? 6 take away 2 is 4. Correct. The gate is opening. Yay! Here comes gate number 6. What do we have this time? What is 4 plus 1? Is it 3, 4, 5, or 6? 4 plus 1 makes 5. That's right. Let's move ahead. Gate number 7 is waiting for us. I won't give up. What is 5 plus 2? Is it 5, 6, 7, or 8? 5 plus 2 makes 7. Excellent! You are doing amazing. The gate is open. Here comes gate number 8. Let's see if we can solve it. What is 7 minus 3? Is it 3, 4, 5, or 6? 7 take away 3 is 4. Correct! Well done! On to the next gate. We have reached gate number 9. I'm getting closer to the castle. What is 3 plus 4? Is it 5, 6, 7, or 8? 3 plus 4 makes 7. That's absolutely right. Open gate. Here comes gate number 10. Wow! We are halfway to the castle. What is 8 minus 2? Is it 5, 6, 7, or 8? 8 take away 2 is 6. Correct! You made it halfway. Yay! Let's keep going. Gate number 11 is here. I'm ready for another one. What is 4 plus 3? Is it 5, 6, 7, or 8? 4 plus 3 makes 7. Fantastic! The gate is open. Here comes gate number 12. What is the math challenge? What is 9 minus 4? Is it 4, 5, 6, or 7? 9 take away 4 is 5. That's correct. I'm getting closer. Gate number 13 is ahead. Let's solve it together. What is 5 plus 3? Is it 6, 7, 8, or 9? 5 plus 3 makes 8. Yes! Great thinking! Another gate is open. 14. I can see the castle getting closer. What is 10 minus 3? Is it 6, 7, 8, or 9? 10 take away 3 is 7. Correct! Amazing job! Let's keep moving. Gate number 15 is here. Only 5 more gates after this. What is 6 plus 2? Is it 6, 7, 8, or 9? 6 plus 2 makes 8. That's right. The gate is open. Let's go. Gate number 16. We're almost at the castle. What is 9 minus 2? Is it 6, 7, 8, or 9? 9 take away 2 is 7. Correct! Only 4 more gates. Gate number 17 is waiting. I won't stop now. What is 4 plus 4? Is it 6, 7, 8, or 9? 4 plus 4 makes 8. Excellent! You got it. The gate is opening. Here comes gate number 18. We're very close now. What is 10 minus 5? Is it 4, 5, 6, or 7? 10 take away 5 is 5. Yes! That's correct. Only 2 more gates. Gate number 19. I can almost reach the castle. What is 7 plus 2? Is it 7, 8, 9, or 10? 7 plus 2 makes 9. Fantastic! Correct answer. 1 more gate to go. Look! We have reached the final gate. The castle is right behind it. This is our last math question. Let's do it. What is 10 minus 1? Is it 8, 9, 10, or 11? 10 take away 1 is 9. Yes! answer is 9. We did it! The final gate is opening. Look! The castle gates are opening. I made it to the castle. And you helped our little snail reach its destiny. Thank you so much, little friends. You solved all 20 math questions. You're a math superstar. Give yourself a big high five. Bye-bye, friends. See you on the next adventure. Keep counting, keep learning, and keep having fun.